casket of Saint Rita. This is very important because on the sides are painted her true face. Santa Rita alive and Santa Rita dead. This has a date 1457. This is the original. To our left is the rosary. Below we have the photo. On top is the real rosary made of wood. It is also painted here. And to your right is the wedding ring of Saint Rita. I think you have seen this in the stores. It's particular because there are two hands holding each other, a sign of love, a sign of peace. On top is the real wedding ring. This one is the picture of her bedroom with a painting, an angel bringing her to Jesus and Mary. Below are things of Saint Rita. On the first drawer, towels used to dry the wound on her forehead. The second drawer, her habit. The third drawer, her life, written in 1626. And the fourth and fifth drawers, the miracles attributed to Saint Rita. 10 years after her death, there are 11 miracles. Kasi Sir Abe, grazie. Sir Abe, she is a sister who lived inside for, 67 years.
Wow.
She entered when she was 16. Say this, 16 years old. She does the correspondence, the letters in French language. All who would write a letter to Santa Rita, in this monastery, she is in charge to reply in French, in Francese. Grazie. 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 This is the chapel of the crucifix, where she received the stigmata on her forehead. In front of this Jesus, she prayed to share in the sufferings of Jesus. She received the gift of the stigmata. This one is the gift from the King of Portugal, John V. It's made of wood covered with gold in Baroque style.